Hello, welcome back.
Yeah, you can do that with iPad Air too.
We're just talking about iPhones. And, all the other stuff. This is Movie Central. Movie Central. The Amazing Keegan.
Hi world. My history is like, oh, we upgraded your iPad. Well,
Oh, he saw it on your history?
Oh, so what about that iPhone? Is it working good for you? Like, yeah, but I can't tell.
Wait, he got you an iPhone? You got an iPhone?
And then he was like, maybe you could ask Santa for an upgrade on your phone. I'm like, Dad, how do you know this? He's like, I was looking through your internet history. I'm like,
Wait, you have a phone right now?
no, I don't. On my iPad history.
You were looking for a phone?
Sounds dumb.
I bet that's never going to happen for Christmas because you never did it.
He said it might. I'm gonna ask for Christmas. iPad minis are just iPhone 6.
I know. iPad minis, yeah, he just returned that. Then you can customize your own, phone case. You can customize it. Who's under me? Benedum. Yeah. Got on the slide, little kid.
No. I don't need
to go down?
Only if you get in the oven.
Get inside the oven to cook it. Okay. Oh, crap. Crap doesn't want chicken.
At my house, Granny. But Grandma. I'm gonna go into the oven.
Tell you, oh crap, it's doing.